Back to some track and field news now. Jamaica's Shanice Walker, competing for Florida State University, clocked an impressive personal best 7.07 seconds to win her heat in the first round of the women's 60 meters at the NCAA Division I Indoor Championships taking place in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Walker enters the final with the fastest time and is expected to be challenged by Victoria Cameron of Tarleton State, who won Heat 2 in 7.09 ahead of British Virgin Islander Adeja Hodge, who also produced a personal best 7.12 seconds. In other opening day results, the Jamaican pair of Shakina Foote and Dejanay Oakley, both representing Georgia University, advanced to the 400-meter finals. Foote clocked 51.43 seconds to finish third in her heat and claim one of the fastest loser spots, while Oakley qualified with an identical time to win the third heat and book her place in the championship races.